Hi everybody, thank you very much again for subscribing to my channel. I'm deeply honored and humbled. Uh, Today though is Sunday, but the weather in Delhi just tempted me to, talk to you about another short story today. And today's story is about thinking, सोच. आपने शाहरुख खान की एक फिल्म का डायलॉग सुना होगा कि अम्मी जान कहती थी कि कोई भी धंधा छोटा नहीं होता एंड मैं कहता हूँ कि कोई भी कंपनी छोटी नहीं होती. छोटा होता है हमारा दिमाग, छोटी होती है हमारी सोच. Why I'm started this entire conversation with this dialogue is that this goes back to the year 2005, when after my stint in banking, I decided now that it's high time I enter into different kind of sales, because I was not imagining myself retiring as a banker. I was rather imagining myself as retired hurt as a banker. But nevertheless, I moved out of that company and then got into this organizations which story I want to share with you. Now, the office was at the Mumbai airport. ये बहुत बड़ी कंपनी नहीं थी मेरी सोच के हिसाब से, but they were into airport advertising. And I got a call and I went for the interview at the Bombay airport, and I was very excited. Office at the airport, I said, okay, that sounds very exciting. I went there. A nice gentleman escorted me. His name was Mr. Ejaz, and he took me to a very small room where 4-5 people were sitting. I thought, okay, this might be the waiting area, because Mr. Kanav Agnihotri was coming from a branch office, and whose previous company's corporate office was at Nariman Point. So I thought, okay, this might be a waiting area. And then that gentleman got up and said, Kanav, let's go. I thought, अब जा रहे हैं ना एक बड़े से lavish से office में. And while we were going in the lift, I was thinking about the interview and where is he taking me. And we just got out of the lift, and there was this airport lounge, and we sat there. So nothing, I didn't ask him anything, is this the office, or is this the where is the office. I didn't ask any questions, because he started talking about my background, and how an interview goes. You are selling yourself, they are selling their product, and if both of you are convinced that you can sell each other, the contract takes place. But nevertheless, I was very impressed with how Ijaz was handling the entire interview. Very smart guy, still a good friend of mine. We sometimes have our chats. He's an entrepreneur now. Anyhow, when the interview finished, I went down and I didn't have the courage to ask him where is the office. And दिमाग वही छोटा सोच and लेके मैं गया था. And what I'm trying to say is that this company, though I started positioning it small just because of the size of the office, actually was so big. They had contracts in all the airports for space selling. This is before privatization of airports. And they had a good team, good leadership, and I worked there. I joined there in that organization and did very good business also. But what it changed my entire thought process was that, again, कि कोई भी company छोटी नहीं होती. What is important is that the vision is clear for the organization, the long-term plans are in place, how confident the leadership is, on their products, and third, the people working there, how convinced are they and how happy are they. And I joined there. There was excellent learning in Mumbai, and I was mentored very well. But what I gained maximum from this organization was this gentleman called Chris Fernandez, who's still a very good friend of mine. And this is, I will say, the best asset I picked up from this company was Chris, and picked up in the terms of relationship. But what I'm trying to also tell you is that soch badi karo, but also important to have a very good networking post you leave a company, because normally what happens is that unknowingly or knowingly, we end up, measuring relationships only when we need them. It is very important, to be in touch with people when you actually don't need them. That makes the relationship and bonding very strong and makes it very pure, which happened with Chris. Though I left TDI, Chris became a very good friend of mine, and he's an excellent human being, and he's still doing very well in life. But what I learned here was two things. I will sum it up. One, कि no organization is small. It is our thinking which we have to change. It is important how strong the product is of the organization and how strong the leadership is and what is their vision and what they believe in the product and for the people. Second, office. In office you make good friends, pick up a good network, build a good asset, because your net worth is actually your network, which I believe. Rest, you can earn a lot of money, you can earn a lot of fame, but at the end of the day, true friends are the most important asset anyone can have, because in good times everyone will dance around you, but these two friends come in handy when you are in bad times, some bad times like these which we are going through. So at the end, I will just like to sum up and say that always remember in life that कोई भी organization छोटी नहीं होती, and आपको एक organization में, if you are lucky, you get a good role, you are blessed if you make some good friend who becomes your friend for life. On that note, I will end my storytelling today. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice Sunday. I will see you soon. And thank you, Chris, again for everything you've done for me. I'm very grateful that you're my friend. Have a nice day, everyone, and I'll see you soon next week with more stories. Take care and see you. Bye-bye.